Ingo Peck served as the first captain of the Alpha Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Ingo would undergo surgical modification, alike to many of his brethren, to resemble his Primarch, Alpharius Omegan. Rumors tell that it was the first captain whom suggested to the Primarch of the 20th Legion to undergo the surgeries to strengthen the Legion's subterfuge. During the Cabal Perpetual John Grammaticus's mission to enlist the Alpha Legion to side with the Cabal's agenda to destroy the Ruinous Powers, Peck would be among the members of his Legion to impersonate his Primarch. Despite being one of Alpharius Omegan's closest advisors, Peck would be reassigned to serve under Harrowmaster Kel Silonius during the Battle of Pluto. Like many of his brethren's fates, his would remain unknown, though many speculate him to be slain impersonating his Primarch. Some even believe his death to be at the hands of Primarch of the Ultramarines Legion, Rabute Guilliman, though like many records of the 20th Legion, truth is oftentimes obscured.